In a birth injury medical malpractice jury trial, there are so many things that the defense does that boggles my mind. But today I'm going to share with you the thing that really drives me crazy. My name's Frank Spector. I'm a medical malpractice and birth injury lawyer in Maryland. I've been doing this for over 33 years. During that time, I've helped hundreds of families get the compensation and justice they deserve. Now, you're not going to believe this, but these cases are hard fought, and I get that everybody is entitled to a defense. But sometimes there are things that are done that just really boggle my mind, and I'm not even sure why they even do it, because it doesn't make any sense to me. Is that the defense attorneys, the ones who represent the doctors in the hospital, will actually ask the judge not to allow the child who's been injured to be in the courtroom, especially if that child has been catastrophically injured and has terrible brain damage. Why don't they want the child in court? Well, what they say is there's no reason for that child to be there because they can't provide any assistance to me as the lawyer in their case. They really also don't want the jury to see the child because they would have sympathy for the child. Well, my goodness, anytime that someone's been injured, of course there's going to be sympathy, and the jury has a right to see the child who's been injured. There's no reason in the world that that child shouldn't have a right to be in the courtroom. Maybe not the whole case, but certainly so that the jury can see what happened to that person. But the defense, they fight tooth and nail. They don't want that to happen. What are they scared of? There are safeguards that are in place. The judge will tell the jury that they can't render their verdict based on sympathy. And you know what the truth is? In my experience, jurors don't make judgments based on sympathy. They listen to the evidence. Of course, when they see a child with those levels of injuries, they're going to feel something for that child. But they're instructed not to make their verdict based upon sympathy. And most people, they'll scoff and they'll roll their eyes and they'll say, yeah, that's what the judge tells them, make a judgment based on sympathy, but that's what's going to happen because the jurors won't follow the judge's instructions. That's nonsense. I've been doing this for such a long time. They don't make their judgments based on sympathy. They want to look at the evidence, they want to hear from all sides, and they want to make the right decision. So allowing them to see a child is not going to make them award millions and millions of dollars just by seeing the child, but they're entitled to see the evidence, just like they're entitled to see every other piece of evidence, whether it's a medical record or hear from a witness. It's part of the case. And it really makes me mad all the times that I've had to fight to get my clients into the courtroom to get the justice that they deserve.